Hi guys, welcome back to Offroad Nirvana and we are back. It's been a long time and there is a reason for that. During this time we faced some serious issues with YouTube. Videos, the system, the direction of the channel. At one point everything came a halt. But one thing never changed. Offroad Nirvana is more than just a channel. We never give up. It took time and fixing things wasn't easy, but we are back. Now I have a small request. If you enjoy this channel, supporting the video with a like, a comment and share would really mean a lot. Your support is what keeps this going. After months, this is our first video back. Hope you enjoy it. Enjoy watching. Top 35 4x4 fails. The first one, number 35. He's out. It's closed. Nobody is in the car. Wow. 34. It's not big mistake, not big fail. There is no big damage. It's not bad for 34.
Tutupnya itu. Oh, tutupnya itu. Ini tutupnya bawah itu.
Water is. Yep, you can fix it, guys. Come on.
Ngeri.
Okay. Next one, 32, 33. Not serious tomate, but it's
Isso aqui eu me
not.
garanto. Agora sim é comigo. Essa daqui é uma área que eu faço me dominar. Aqui, parceiro, nenhum médico na sala de cirurgia.
31. Watching carefully.
Ei,
Up
Eita caralho, dog. Tu é doido, dog.
head and
Tu é
foot
doido, é
is
dog, meu
injured, I think.
irmão. Pelo
30.
amor de Deus, né? Papo de estampa de camisa, né? Papo, né, de quem vai virar saudade, né?
Yes.
Papo de quem quer ver a mãe chorando no caixão.
Wow,
Pelo
wow,
amor
wow.
de Deus, né?
These types of roads, if there is a hole, you don't go right, left, don't try to run away from the hole.
Best off-road actions and best offer fails and wins.
Just go in and out, no problem. But you change direction.
Pelo amor de Deus, né?
These types of
Papo
fails.
de estampa de camisa, né? Papo, né, de quem vai virar saudade, né?
Suddenly.
Papo de quem quer ver a mãe chorando no
Yeah.
caixão. Pelo amor
In
de
Brazil,
Deus.
we love Brazil. 29. There is an off-road footpath. Smooth and water, and that's a little bit dangerous. Recovery by pulling. Mistake. Nobody is inside of the car. 27. I think there are some water fails. This is another one. Motorcyclist fell down the water. It looks cold.
Oh, shit.
God, yeah. Yeah, there are some friends, they can save him. Nice. have 3 minutes to go out before hypothermia.
You good? Yo, on your stomach, on your stomach,
Yes,
on your stomach,
stomach.
on your stomach, just crawl.
No, bro,
Hold on.
don't go, don't go.
Oh, it's cracking here.
It's
Yo,
heavy
on
for
your
one
stomach and-
person.
and crawl.
If you go to, there will be 2 person.
Are you good? You need help.
Yeah, you need help, guys. And time is
On
going.
your stomach, dude. You're
I hope your clothes are good enough.
hold on.
25. Another water
Не
fade is
вброд, а
coming.
вплавь. Нету грязи. Ох ты, ох ты, ох ты, ох ты, нифига себе.
As he lose control and like it, but we cannot see. What's happening? I think 26 was more dangerous than 25. If you have some kind of ideas about the videos, you can write which one is must be at the which list. Another water fail. Oh. Go out, bro. Yeah, there's 2 person. Wow. 23. Off-roading in desert. Yeah, second one. Watching again. The first one is going.
Best operations in best off-road
And
fails,
second one.
fails,
Where's third one?
off-road tail, max action, max fails, max fun, the legend lives
Yeah,
on the
well,
map
that
of
was
the
dangerous. Yeah. Yeah.
best off-road actions in best off-road fails, fails and wins, off-road tail, max action, max fails, max
he's on
fun,
the-
the legend lives on the map of the lots.
Wow,
Best
I
off-road actions
understood.
in best off-road fails, fails and wins, off-road tail, max action, max fails, max fun, the legend lives on the map of the lots.
Wow. Yeah, that was dangerous, I think. 22.
No. He saved it. He saved it.
Turnover started
Oh no!
after water fails. We saw now.
Eli,
Wow.
Come on, bro.
Yeah. Not bad for first one.
Eli, this is good.
21.
ആദ്യത്തെ അധ്യായം
Another turnover.
ഇനിയാണ് ആരംഭിക്കുന്നത്.
Yes.
അതേ നിയമങ്ങൾ അതേ കളികൾ പക്ഷേ പുതിയ രാജാവ്
20. That was hard, but continues. I love this type of videos. After failed, this driver continues. Yes, you can go. Yes, that's what I mean.
На характере, да?
Все можно там найти.
Разбор Таурега здесь. Так, давайте комментарий, понимаешь? Убери, ну все. Может, номер там валяется.
On the farthest in this badass boat. Yeah! You good?
More.
Your glasses, hold up. Bro, we all knew
Not
that was a
bad,
matter
it
of
was
time.
funny. 17. 16. Coming up. Going down. I think the video is just started now. Oh. Yes.
Нормально, начал каждый.
14. Wow! Oh! Did you see car? It go down by the hill. It went down by hill. Yeah, another video from Brazil. That was hard. Wow, video started harder than before.
Where you want to go?
Started harder. Number 10. Wow, good. No. Oh. Yes. Number 9. Jump. Crushed. That was hard. Oh. Number 8. One, two, three.
Get
Four. Four, third. 1, 2, 3. Another 4. Yeah. Number 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times he turned over. Number 5. Hard and fast. Yeah, it's good. He's good. He's good. 4.
¡Qué bárbaro!
What are you talking about? Number 3. Down the spectators. Oh my god.
Ahí sí, mató gente, mataron gente. Mataron gente.
Wow.
Igual sí que vuelta.
That was too hard, unbelievable. Is he good? Yes, yes, he is good, I think. Number 1.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, no, no. Did you see that spectator? He crashed.
No, no, por Dios. Los chicos
We are watching again another angle. 1, 2, 3. They jump down. End of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. We need your support, guys. If you want to watch more off-road fail videos like this, please support this channel. See you next video. Bye bye.